In this video, I'll show you how to export orders from your Shopify store using two methods. First, we'll look at Shopify's built-in order export option. Then, we'll move to a more advanced method using Matrixify. Let's start by logging into the Shopify admin dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Orders in the left-hand menu. This opens your complete order list where all past and current orders are stored. At the top right corner of the Orders page, click on the Export button. Here, Shopify gives you multiple export options. For this example, select Current Page, which exports only the orders currently visible on your screen. Once selected, click Export Orders. Now, let's look at how to export orders using Matrixify for more advanced needs. From the Shopify admin, go to the search bar and type Matrixify. Open the Matrixify app from the results. Inside Matrixify, click on Export, then select New Export to create a fresh export file. In the export settings, open the Select Sheets dropdown and choose Orders. Once everything is selected, click Export. You'll now see the status showing Export in progress while Matrixify prepares the file. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify and e-commerce tutorials. And if you have questions or face any issues while exporting orders, drop them in the comments. We'll be happy to help.